just pulling up to Fast Tracks, go inside and settle up. Good morning from Fort St. John. I'm just about to take the bike to the shop. The tire should be there, get the oil changed, and then we should be able to hopefully get back on the road and start working our way towards Prince George. So let's get down to the bike and let's head on over to the shop. All right, go drop the bike off and then wander around town for a little bit. 8:30 and I'm in shorts. Not too cold. Listen, the tire's here. The bike's been dropped off. A couple hours from now, we should be able to pick it up and get back on the road. Let's go wander around the industrial section of Fort St. John. It's an urban hike. I'm gonna head on over to Walmart and see if I can find some chain oil. I've cleaned the chain yesterday after 6,000 K. It probably needed it. And I could probably use a bit of a lube after that long too. So Walmart has a mask wearing policy and my mask is in the bike. So I've got my fancy adaptive mask. I bet I look snazzy. Alright, the bike is ready. I just got the call. So we got about a 15-minute walk to the shop. I'll go pick it up and then I'll pack her up and we'll get on the road. Oh, there we go. Brand new Bridgestone on the back. Oil changed and we're ready to go. And we're just gonna go get some gas, head back to the hotel, get all my stuff, and then we'll continue on the scenic route. So being a new tire, I gotta take it easy around corners and stuff because with the new tread it's pretty slick. Get some off-road wear on the tire. Try and get the shine off. It is getting downright toasty. I've had to open up the vents on my jacket. I may have to take out the liner even if it stays this warm. Apparently, about 20 kilometers up this road, there's the Bennett Dam. It's supposed to be a pretty nice sight. Howdy.
Howdy. When you go across the dam, at the far side, there's a crane rail. Does not follow the same radius as the road.
Okay.
Just be careful you don't drop your tire into there. Road branches go to the right, stay to the right, takes you up across the top of the dam.
Okay.
Get to the other side, stay on the pavement, takes you to a lookout point.
Okay.
They don't want you stopping anywhere except that far lookout.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. to camp. We're at Pine Le Marais Provincial Park. Got my tent set up. There's a lake just over there. So let's go have a look and see what the lake is like. Crystal clear water. There's even a rope swing. Oh, this is a pretty little lake. Not a bad spot to spend the night. Now I just gotta go collect some firewood and have some dinner. It's very important to pay attention when you're buying a pre-cooked or pre-made salad that it actually is the full package and not just the cabbage and vegetables. Normally I buy the ones that have the dressing and some fixings in it. I goofed on this one and now I've got myself a dry, old, boring cabbage salad. But I threw some of it in the chili that I'm gonna have. But that is a boring way to get your vegetables, I'll tell you that. Alright, had the chili. I ate as much of that boring cabbage salad as I could. I can't do any more. And that's about it. Boiling some lake water and losing the light. So that'll be it for tonight. We've got a big hike planned tomorrow. And I'll show you guys what's in store in the morning. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Wow, Walmart employees don't even have a proper place to get their briefings. They have to do it in the middle of the store.